All right, we're going to make a pie chart and a bar graph using SPSS. Big problem here. This data is not ready for SPSS. It's a categorical variable with a count to it. So let me show you how to do these. We're going to make a new variable. We're going to make it in Excel and then transfer it over to SPSS. So we got 22 vanillas. We're going to mark the flavors with numbers. Vanilla will be 1, chocolate 2, strawberry 3, pistachio 4, peach 5, tutti frutti. Don't know what that is, but we'll make that number 6. So 1 through 6 will identify the flavors. SPSS uses numbers as categorical variables. We're going to identify it. So we're going to, let me start with making 22 ones. Please hold. So you'll notice I got 22 ones. That means 22 vanillas. How many chocolates? 35. So chocolate's going to be 2. I'm going to put in 32 of them. Please hold. So there's 35 twos. Real quick, so you'll notice this comes out to 57. This is the 57. How you double check on how many there are. So 57 minus 23 is 34, and then you add 1 because this is inclusive, right? I make this mistake all the time. Don't you guys make the same mistake? So if you start at 23, 35 numbers later, you should be up to 57. So what's next? Strawberries. So I need 17 strawberries. We're going to mark strawberries with 3. I need 17 of them. Please hold. Double checking. So we start at 58. We go to 74. 74 minus 58 is 16. Add 1 is 17. Okay, we got strawberries. And pistachio, I only need 8 of them. So pistachios are going to be marked with a 4. Hold on. And I can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Peach, 12. I love peach ice cream. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. So we need 12 fives. Hold on. Double checking. I got 94 minus 83 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Good. And last but not least is the incredible tutti frutti, and we only need 6 of those. And that's going to be labeled as the number 6. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So now we're set to put this in SPSS. Hold on while I switch it over. All right, I'm ready. What I'm going to do is highlight all the data, just the numbers, in Excel. Right-click, copy. Go to my SPSS, pick a blank cell. Make sure you're on A1 up here, the first row, and paste it. So now we have our variable. I'm going to go back to variable view. We're going to call this ice cream. And this is where we're going to label our categories for their categorical variable, right? You do it under values. So what did 1 mean? 1 was vanilla. And then add. And then 2 was chocolate. Add. You get the picture. Give me a second, and I'll put them all in there. So we got all the names with their numbers. This is arbitrary. I could have put them in any order, right? Okay, you click OK. Now we're ready to do the bar graph and the pie chart. Just going to go to Graphs, Legacy. Let's do the pie first. Pie and ice cream. Ho, ho. All right, define the summaries. Here we go. And we're going to do ice cream. So this tells me that we didn't change it yet. Okay. So I'm going to go back and change the variable into a categorical variable or a nominal variable. Okay. SPSS is pretty intuitive. It probably wouldn't make a difference, but I like to be careful. So we're going to go back to graphs and let's do the pie. Summaries for group cases. Basically, we're going to use the defaults on most of these things. So we're going to define the slices of the pie with ice cream. Ha, 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 ha. And I'm going to just title this thing. I'm going to put ice cream. Favorites. Favorites. Click continue. And you're going to click OK down here at the bottom. You should get a nice looking ice cream pie. Ooh. I've heard about ice cream pies before. Easy to see. The big guy on the block here is chocolate, right? It's green is chocolate. I've never met an ice cream I hadn't liked, so I don't play favorites anymore. Let's do the same thing with a bar graph. We're going to go to Graphs, Legacy. Where's my bar? Bar. That's right on top. Bar graph. We're just going to do a simple. Same thing. We're going to do the categories by ice cream. And I could title it, but I'm not going to title these things anymore. And then down here on the bottom, we're going to hit OK. And we should get a bar graph. There's our bar graph right there. Not very colorful, I'm afraid. But again, you could take a quick look. It's easily chocolate is the king of ice cream flavors, and pistachio is not the king, it's the lowest. So that's it. MGZ.